of the party. Yakwa Manus is here. Na yani chairman Butey. And in Sasha Krata Aseno. Na yano no Edin Komo and the Chairman Butey. Na Pacho upon to saying Yaba Kwa Baba for God and country. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Oh, Chairman, you feel too much. Chairman, you feel too much.
Too much.
Oh, you feel too. We are solid. We are fantastic. We are brutal. But Chairman, who's a statement about the Toabonting? But the kind I can kind of brofukasem at the actual unity for Woti. Now, me pacho say, oh, bono tofa e wa kan kasemwa. Chairman, wadaruma, dena NPP amanyukuno e patchere.
Near patcher and say, Yepe asumdwe wo party no, Yepe Koreans wo party no. Sebe sadia, situye sa na say party no, ye sign rebuild the party. Because suspension na won't get too much. Maybe if the central region, the Mamma Central region back, one constituency. And now two, na me fanya example.
SOMPA FM.
Oko Sodra, which is Agona Wester. Almost suspending the pound 290.
Wow, Central Region 290.
Yes. So one of them was let me do for example. 290 one constituency. So 290 no ya dwene mu no fi say ba ku bia na dofo ani ni nua no ne na ye 10 elusu say na sa 10 for no so plan so enso nkofo be wadwe so omonto aba no in this year course continues and no anwo ha bela ko lusu 2028 Tretema Jake grant amnesty was 2013 you know and no any general so my to me when you dey me to be win 2016 because year one of food didn't na if you know the mesmo fiche grant amnesty na omo yengofo na ombo fundi omankoto aba me to me lusu kese no omo nyina be on board because we are rebuilding the party.
So, Chairman, you feel, sir, and that the party, because this is a communique emanating from the National Executive Committee of the party. So, the party then now feels, sir, I am Kugu Amudi, the 2024 general elections, you know, it's as a result of the numerous suspensions, of course, within the party, a man
but
it's a factor.
Yes, one of the factors. No. Now my report on so in the feature was and go for a country in amnesty. But your constitution, which I say, wow, my second one, my Dicambo Aguna West there.
Okay, that's fine.
Your co Gomwa Central chairman and secretary or more support to independent candidates also to saying Gomwa Central. Safono Oma Baya Oma Babat Omo to Misan Kotiki Oma position as chairman and secretary view Oma members of the party. But they cannot
SOMPA FM
contest any elections which is 2 years. And in no an independent candidate and also and to win for the party and not to win position of your party no. It's a 2 years about.
But Chairman, reading your communique now, and of course listening to some political pundits within the political space, they make the argument that the letter Wachro Ediababetwa Bonting one stating, sir, Wamoba they cannot contest for any internal party elections, and then two, they meba two. Omo just suspend you na womu ni party no again they are saying say they cannot contest for any internal party elections until the mandatory 2-year period. And again, perusing your letter, I also came across the fact say they would have to reapply to become members of the party. Chairman, you don't think say sir, clauses here what letter it doesn't make the letter apologetic enough and so appealing to your members? One war abonting say, one bra number don amanyoko ni bio. Okay.
Omo independent no. Omo ni a party no. Enshishi ibono na your constitution no. So we join now call independent. We sign bar. I was only 2 years as I was contest elections. No money. Omo could independent candidate chief. Openly almost support to independence no. Almost already constitution and him say even you grant to amnesty cry, you grant to amnesty, I'll bet you letter by patcho. You grant to amnesty so still I know 2 years as I know to be a contested election will let us also deba.
So they are aware
a party constitution, you know. I am aware. In the year free now more who are no be on the as bid on any walk. And we were only a papa beer, but what's it be our name in table in your face? What can be as a suspended? And yet,
that's Sankrofon, so Sankrofon now, who can say, one more dear, saying beer or new be and Tom Casacasa de sea, as any panel or no one could do BH.
SOMPA FM.
On trophy, but party members is here.
But or a party members is here, I'll bet me a contest for any general elections within the party.
I the only two has contest, yes. So one call independent, and as one call support independent, I will be a contest. With the 2 years we are now also.
With the 2 years we are now also. And that one was not stated explicitly in the communique that was giving out.
We did any about it now. The latest by the all the constituencies and all the regional constituencies, we will spell it out there.
But Chairman, you have already said, sir, winning an election is already it's just about the numbers, and now you are giving them conditions. I've heard some of them publicly, especially my good friend Ebo Backman saying, sir, and they are not going to come back because of the conditions enshrined in the communique. Mudi ababeto abonting.
One more independent no. One more party for ma. One more party no muntumi nyai no. One more be bra from say one beto letter na ba. One more you say dia be one nyina na baba. You make it out here.
Meba. Until say letter way a mudi ababeto abonting no. Munim say enyo mu nyina na beba. One mo sa no mu no and now fi say woman de woman nsam be capacity
me to be minimum obi me ni obi adwene me to be minimum obi but minim say ade bia obi bia ni obi na be support na ni obi anso no be ka say okay wa ka say amateme ba what do I make an say but obo mo ye ready obo mo ye pived e dinti omo ye pit omo petition dia brain no omo de just omo obi o petition dia brain bia na just onye ready so we free party no in the petition ni go feel or endorse no it's by time I jai side in a petition some jaiba.
Yeah. I think it's a good move, but I was just reading some chronicle of issues are being tabled by Dr. Arthur Kennedy and then the likes of Paula Foku, and they seem to suggest the lecture is not apologetic enough.
SOMPA FM.
Say ubi grant amnesty and just walk out.
Okay.
Yes, as a president will grant amnesty amount of the prisons no more from Revia or compared to the prison.
And Tanya Chopa. But Chairman, you need the numbers. You need the numbers. There's a way you have to go about it. You need the numbers. You.
Your members now almost show letter but say quite more fast to suspend your money property. On a petition to us. Woman, you know, we will in it on back in the party. What did I mention? And you say, I patches a couple pictures at Chinchina Umbra. No. Our bonnie, a document discipline committee, and a general discipline committee for Nayai. Party number will be a white bonnie, it was a uniform cry, will be a white jacket in the party, and I will be a. Of support independent candidate and I'll be a one party independent. And they want for fatal membership. In this area, so was I bar or the constitutional letter bra. Once we get 2 years, as I want to be a contest any election in the party. That is all. Black and white.
Ntenya chopa bia na mo pa obia say womra party no. Yes. Ntenya chopa. So that should be on record.
Yes. Yeah, pacho. Yeah, pacho. Yeah, person be back. Yeah, suspend you the neighbor for near the free.
Okay, so what if the movement of for change led by Honorable Alan Kojo Tremanthing and Napamfo kase okay letter na mwachro no NPP mo na etwa omfruma, and for that matter they want to rejoin the party, would they be welcome?
Oh yes, say Omo him say Omo forfeit membership. We don't buy 2 years then almost. They want to 2 years time. Omo do a contest. They can come. Why not? Omo your members.
Chairman, me say MPP this year 8 pa and we on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And then from where I came from, especially the Bunu East region, I could see say there's that kind of antagonism between some executive members and then some members of the party. If he said, going forward, how would the party handle such issues?
And you say discipline our party on the trouble crowd. Discipline from the day I'm usually honest in the ground, we are born here, you do work with discipline committee, but there was a fuck and papa so. So, yes, if you are not to let our ones was suspended or no. Fanema discipline committee find this bra. This committee didn't find this in the balance, yes, more suspended and fine, wait. But you see, a baby, I was Siciano, and was young Korea, young in Kaboom. So, this and Kaboom and a Korean bar in between 2028. It immediately fish or more your bonnet, or my yellow, with the actual.
Now, Chairman, you want to say, Chairman, I beg to interrupt. You keep on saying, say, you need unity. Muhyang Kaboom. So why not say, Uncle Letter, with the tone would have suggested, say, Muamukwe na Mumbra, near party. Rather than giving certain clauses with Chairman,
Messi Omukwe na Omumra. Na Omukwe independent in India, our constitution so our forfeit membership. It is a only old SOMPA. Just 2 years as I'm going to be a contest.
But can there be a waiver to that effect?
No, I know they mean your way.
And they don't mean your way.
There be and the constitution spelled out black and white. Between your way. By getting from whom I be brain and between your way.
Chairman, we must thank you for your time because Yenim say Kasei. US Abruchiri Memoir when Kasa, and because of the love you have for our station, that is why you have granted us this particular opportunity to have this communication with you.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. And the kind of bond that we have. And we expect, say, you'd come over here. We have that one-on-one we have been having because we cherish you a lot. But Chairman Butey,
I don't have a problem with that.
But Chairman, there's another worrying and disturbing issue within your party, and I know it has caught the attention. Party for the money be at a year one social media radio space, and what they use those spaces to do is to denigrate or insult elders and even presidential candidates for their primaries for your party. Those people actions when I'm going to take you home.
Yeah, say I don't know in a process. Process we actually gradual. It one after the other. You better tackle one before the election. What they say, no dano. Between the background information and say no credit, I'm going to say no dano. As far as in our committee. No matter what you say, Ubia, Ubia, or something the Aquacasa, nothing did on film. Wow, or once a wow, Bruce will be, oh, push of water be a woody be a terminal. nipa koro no was a sanction no in the person me TV o as far as I'm saying no crazy o course I meeting there because almost here the abo party no my idea say nyagopon shawo.
But Chairman, within the party's constitution, of which you guys as respectfully ascribe to, say obi jina eye simpie so, ana ojina eye abe fontintan kese so, edi party batem, edi party mpanyimfo atem. Party ni di share ka obetimi abaye president, edi ama oman say nipa no constitution no kwan ben so na constitution de ka kire mo say mo fa say nipa no fa so because it looks as if you are glossing over all this.
The constitution no say obi a the party no enu nyam be ko rough obeko be bia into disrepute to be ano was suspended.
Sure.
Ndi am say ade na gradually yi ba ko ade be yakomi no into we are bano ye be hwe was asamaka if you are be hwe asamaka say at the end of the division babam into Ubiana we are aspirant no ma officer bia in the wenim enko bibia enye undercover enya dia beso bia be the nim akudi di obi atem we be the I support obi because we a party executive member our constituency and our region me follow bia so your regional chairman na candidate is about wa yidi pa ba ko ni na nim fa no rounds. But Chairman, I had the opportunity of sitting within a certain group of people within the New Patriotic Party. And what they tell me is that, as the leadership of the party, you know, as a muya nipe bi mu ohwa musuro se mode monsa ebe kasankro foro and the name popped up. The Bunu regional chairman of your party, Chairman Abronye. Who is he? Media. So far as I'm concerned, my national chairman, me patrol the team.
Me too.
Me regional chairman, my be that. Into be our regional chairman be into me. Me here for 3 times, 3 consecutive times. I'm here regional chairman. I know how it is to become a friend and say regional chairman.
A regional chairman.
Into he said, "Would the because
I know how you are. Now you have assumed the position of the acting national chairman of the party. You know, I know how disciplinarian you are because I remember, party then had issued a statement inviting Chairman Abronye to a meeting, and he never turned up, making sure he throws your party into disrepute.
Yes, what I'm trying to say is that, yes, sir, and I'm chairman, I'm acting.
But you were the first national vice chairman of the party, then you could have added your voice to it.
That time, we cannot majority now way out.
Oh, okay.
But this year, I can tell you for sure, this year one. All the officers on the one TBP between come.
Now I can see more open nominations. Nominations now more open amount for starting for forms, and I'm also observing that those are one person mujina my to Abama no lead the party. No, they have started going around garnering for support for their base. A photo bang and I would be my for the presidential aspirant hopefuls for the New Patriotic Party.
The American say Ubia Kanchan Chilata for say Omontom Boise. We are young to internal election. In Tibia Nebuno, Mr. say Omontom was Ubia Ba, Untina Sem. Okotobana, we anyway, the open and over to. Mr. Monya, dear Bedman Toba, and Agasaba. Because we will be with Tana campaign. It's all quite Divia, depending on the campaign.
All right, so Chairman, we want to thank you, but I am praying that under your leadership as the national chairman of the party now, Bibiaba Kototin Ede Amau. And again, I know, sir, the movement for change, Honorable Alan Kojo Chairman, we understand, sir, and the movement is going to transition into a political party. Is that a worry to you as a acting national chairman of the party? May say, movement for change, Honorable Alan Kojo Chairman, they are now transitioning from a movement for change into a political party, emanating from the new patriotic party. Is that not going to be a worry to you as the acting national chairman of the party?
We are seeing quite a better party. We are seeing quite a better